What if I told you that your smartphone and a free AI tool could help you earn $100 a day, starting today? Welcome to AI Hustle Hub, your go-to channel for AI tools, digital income tricks, and smart hustles in Africa and beyond. My name is the Hustle AI Hub. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful tools you can use today to start earning online. ChatGPT, OpenAI. ChatGPT is an AI writing assistant. It helps you write articles, ads, emails, social media posts, product descriptions, and more, just by typing in simple prompts. You can save time, work faster, and even start freelancing without being a professional writer. It also works on your phone. Go to chat.openai.com. Sign up with your email. Type something like, write a 3-paragraph ad for a cooking business in Ghana. Copy, edit if needed, and use or sell it. Canva, free graphic design tool. Canva is a drag-and-drop design tool. It helps you create flyers, posters, social media posts, presentations, and ebooks without graphic design skills. People in small businesses always need graphics. Canva makes it super easy to create pro designs using your phone or laptop. Go to canva.com, sign up for a free account. Choose a template, e.g. Instagram post. Customize it with your text, images, and logo. Download and share or sell to a client. 11 Labs, AI voice generator. 11 Labs is an advanced AI tool that creates human-sounding voiceovers. You can generate professional audio by pasting your script. No mic needed. Perfect for faceless YouTube videos, TikToks, or even voiceover gigs. It saves time, removes fear of speaking, and adds polish to your content. Visit 11labs.io. Create a free account. Go to text-to-speech. Paste your script and choose a voice, generate, and download the audio. Here's a bonus AI tool nobody is talking about. It lets you clone your voice and sell voiceovers on freelance platforms. Want more step-by-step tutorials in my free ebook on 50 business ideas? Click the link below, grab the guide, and join the AI hustle revolution. Don't forget to like, comment AI Hustler if you made it this far, and subscribe for more digital hustle tips.